CEO position of Kumasi Asante Kotoko no say no aya Afriyie George Afriyie echirim say sa obeye the CEO of Kumasi Asante Kotoko obetimi am make ways for Kotoko to get $5 million sponsorship. Na the recent interview no apparently Odika beka say adwuma no onye na adwen so ope but enne interview a emerge no o chiremu se Kotoko ye club a Kotoko so na Kotoko club no ebetimi enya a sponsorship of $5 million se nipa bi ti se ono ebeje Kotoko ne ya na say indirectly no Kotoko adwuma no George Afriyie is open for the Kotoko job na we there George sa open adwuma na yes we betima apply sa qualifying kwai de be ma according to him was say oba Asante mantem ha Kotoko otumfo say tutu the life patron of Asante Kotoko ne dia na oba Asante mantem ha mining companies wo ha nyina no nka obetimi I get in touch with these mining companies. Na mining companies no widows might be obenya free obi a obetimi any omako into agreement to raise this money or in a form of sponsorship for Kotoko to be bridging such gap in terms of finances. Nanka or they are raising this money for the club. Or say ube here a very good CEO to get this deal done through connections. Enti ono uhunu say $5 million sponsorship possible for Kotoko provided say CEO no very good and a very good connection, very good networker. And of course we chire mu say Kotoko kra no ye sorry a near day asemi o kan amene ne ya adwen pa o say amanfo sorry o mu de baabi ani Go Stars bobo stadium ye ma no mu de compare Kumasi Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Sa baabi ani Go Stars bobo na ma it is not even 20% of nipa Baba Yara Sports Stadium. That's we dey be ameka inti on that no George retreat here but still now I was making the point about the fact saying sika ebetiba wure mama Kotoko aye big because baabi ani Go Stars mo na omobobo game wo mo hwan Dunes Park ona na ma den a ma enru 10,000 crowd aya na be 5,000 3,000 bi enam so almost stadium ni so nti unu say aya ma abro so enru be 20% of nipa Baba Yara and I say Baba Yara Sports Stadium no full capacity no nti George Afriyie CEO adwuma no say de enyoma ya clear so unya obeye a o chiremu say ono no say de Kotoko ma na ekwan a obefa so e de raise $5 million sponsorship na ebi no say mining companies the whole Ghana upe baby too good pan ya Asante mantem na Asante mantem companies too good no oni omo be call into agreement no ma be boa Kotoko George they are away or they have a 2 million. I don't know what you think. You can leave your comment in the comment section but see your position, you know, very interesting. The DM no very interesting.